all very pleased to be open now at Lucker Hall. We've got 44 units, ranging from single bedroom up to 4-bedroom apartments or cottages. We've got lovely leisure facilities, including a pool, sauna and a steam room. Of course, crazy golf and our paddle tennis court. Lucker Hall's going to prove very, very popular with holidaymakers. We're very busy already and we're getting streams of people arriving from the local area just to have a look and see what we're all about. And we're showing as many people as we can around the site, showing them the beautiful grounds and of course the fantastic cottages and apartments that we have here. John Hughes, our head gardener, had his first meeting today with holidaymakers. He showed them around the site, showed them what we've got planned for the future. He's also recommending other gardens in the area. We've got some beautiful gardens that visitors can go to. I think everybody was quite excited about the prospect of getting out and just seeing what Northumberland's got to offer in that department. On top of the facilities we offer here at Lucker Hall, we're ideally placed to explore the Northumberland Coast, the miles of beautiful beaches, golden sands, and of course the dozens of castles that we're famous for in the area. Holy Island, or Lindisfarne, is just a couple of miles to the north. We've already had holidaymakers visiting and coming back with some very good feedback. Alnwick Castle, famous recently for Harry Potter and various other movies, is proving to be a good draw. Anyway, I'd love to show you around the grounds a bit. Maybe then we can take a look through to the courtyard garden. Big plans there for the future.